friends, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, okay, I've decided to do a little makeup thing because, okay, I'll show you the box. It's really embarrassing. So, I had a big box of makeup and I lost it for a while. It's in this container, okay, and it's really sad I have all this makeup that I have. A lot of makeup in here, and I really want to play it. So first off, I don't have a primer with me today because I didn't want to. So here's this Aveeno Positively Radiant CC cream. There's not many shades, so that's like not great. So it says it's good for your skin, so okay. It's even light on me. It's got sunscreen in it. I always forget to shake things up. Always. What is this? I don't know if you can see that on my finger. But yeah. Okay. It's not like wanting to come off on my skin. Oh, come on. It's like rolled up on my skin. Oh, there it is. There it is. A little bit of coverage. Yep. A little bit of coverage. I like to put this mufflers like so. No, ew, I don't want to use that much. Okay. But like, I can't put it back in the bottle, so. Anyway, so that's what that looks like. I wish you could smell it. It says Total Soy, color corrects, protects, and perfects. I don't really think so. Let's see what this shade looks like. It's a little light. I'm sorry for being this close. My skin is probably not that cute, but whatever. I'm just trying. Okay, yeah. I'll be back in a second with the beauty blender because, yeah, I'm not that. And I thought, to myself, I'm like, what am I doing? I have my Eco Tools sponge here, girl. It's kind of dirty, so I'm really sorry. There's really no coverage here, let's be honest. I wonder what you guys think of KKW Beauty and Kylie Cosmetics, cause like I have, did I just get my eye? Okay. Cause I have not tried either, and oh god, but I guess, let's see if on the back of the label it says don't get in your eye. Like, this is what I'm talking about. No, it doesn't say that. It doesn't say don't put in your eye. So, but probably it doesn't burn as much as it did a minute ago. So that's good. This is like really quick, and I'm sorry there's background noise. I'm going to a thrift store in a few minutes. So yeah, I just kind of want my skin to look less ratchet than it does. And yeah, I'm wearing this head thing. I wear it every time I take a shower because it dries my hair out quicker. It's probably not good for your hair, but when you don't have the time, you do what you have to do. Okay. Then just pat that off. Okay. I'm just looking through my box. Like, what should I use? True Match. Actually, I'm gonna use just said goodbye. Don't judge me. It's gonna crusty up in here, like so. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Sage Soft Beige. It kind of smells like paint thinner, but also kind of like, I don't know. I feel like it reminds me a lot of, it smells so badly, I'm sorry. Maybe it's like expired, though that could be it too, because I'm gonna use this new sponge. Ooh, okay. And then I'm gonna try it with this Real Technique sponge. Okay. I didn't wet these things, so that also makes it more difficult, but so far I like the tip of this Real Techniques one, so that also makes it more difficult, but so far I like the tip of this Real Techniques one the best, but it's like red. Oh, so it like kind of covered stuff, but not really. I'm gonna finish it off with this Revlon Color Stay in golden early, 340 and girl, 340 early day. It's 24 hours. I'm not gonna test that out because that's bad for your skin. So I'm just taking this Precision foundation brush under. Okay, I like to dip it into. It's probably bad for it, but okay. I have kind of like acne over here. Well, I think it's just patchy. I don't know that it's like. Let's go really up close and you can see how that goes in a maze. I like using brushes. A lot of people, like YouTubers, say, oh, like, yeah, use a Morphe brush, whatever. I got this from TJ Maxx for $1 like last Christmas. It's so nice. It like gives me a little bit of coverage, but also keeps a little bit in the brush. As you can see, I just take leftovers and put that on my under eyes. So that's it for my foundation. I've always been for coverage, yeah, my focus is on it, but I'm sorry for the noise. ASMR. Joking. This is CoverGirl True Blend and Deep. It's a blend minerals, loose mineral powder. Okay, I haven't tried this out a lot. Actually, I don't really. It came with a powder puff. I tried the powder puff. It's okay. I'm sorry. I still have the tag on it. I'm sorry. Okay. Well. Okay. So a while back, but I wasn't too sure because it has mineral oil in it. But I talked to my dermatologist and she said that that's okay. It's probably better to have mineral powders and natural powders instead of stuff with like salicylic acids and stuff, because that makes my skin break out. So so, ooh, that gives me a hairline. That's nice. Okay. Dreaming. Okay. I'm filming a video, Bella. Okay, I'll be out in a second. I'll be out in a second. I'm filming a video. Okay, anyway. I have this big fluffy Isabel's gold brush. You probably can't see that anymore, so I'll link it down below that I can find it. I saw this big brush, Manny, and not Manny, Patrick started using this big brush for like contour, so I need that. Have I cleaned it? That's the real question. Have I cleaned it? I'll take my chances. This is the Amuse Illuminating Powder in medium. Don't really know what that means. It comes with like a mirror. I don't use that thing because, yeah, that doesn't work. So, ooh, it's like natural, which I like. Because I kind of have to be natural going to school. Just kind of like around my face. I don't really do makeup the traditional way, but that's okay with me brush. It's just a basic foundation brush. I got it at Target, I believe. And I'm just taking Amuse Cosmetics 2-in-1 bronzer and highlighter. And then take this one and a little bit of that for my nose. I think this really packs on really nicely. As you can see, I got it on Miss.com. I'll link that down below. It's awesome. Ooh. I just feel like if you really want something like pressed onto your skin. I was just like trying to, oh, it's like a dab of Aveeno stuck on. But I like a little bit of highlighter right here and right here. And just nose contouring, which I don't do a lot, but I'm gonna do today. Okay. It's super nice. Okay, finish this off. I'm using weed. It's just taking a stay. Look at it. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. Subscribe down below. Everything will be linked down below. And I hope you have a wonderful, magical, fantastic